Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to crochet the waistcoat stitch. This beautiful stitch pattern works great in the round. I used it on my turtleneck sweater and the band-on hats. To begin, loop a multiple of even number of chains. I'm looping 40 chains for this tutorial. We'll be crocheting the pattern in the round, so slip stitch into the beginning stitch to join. Next, we'll start round 1. Chain 1. Normally, the waistcoat pattern is done with the single crochet stitch, but I like to use the extended single crochet because it is a fuller and looser stitch and therefore make it easier to work the stitches. So, insert the hook in the chain and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through one loop only. Yarn over and pull through both loops. That's an extended single crochet stitch. Now, slip stitch in the next chain. Followed by an extended single crochet. Slip stitch in the next chain. We'll alternate between an extended single crochet and a slip stitch for the entire length of this circle. At the end of the round, slip stitch to the beginning stitch to join the circle. By the way, this slip stitch counts as a stitch for this pattern, so do not pull it too tight. Moving on to round 2. Chain 1. Look closer at the post of this extended single crochet. There's a combine of 4 loops in this stitch. Insert the hook into the center there. This is the back side. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through one loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops. A waistcoat stitch is complete. For the next stitch, we work in the back loop only. So, slip stitch in the back loop. And followed by an extended single crochet in the post of the next stitch. Insert the hook into the center there. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through one loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops. We'll alternate between an extended single crochet and a slip stitch for the entire length of this circle. At the end of the round, slip stitch to the beginning stitch to join the circle. Moving on to round 3. Chain 1. From here on out, repeat round 2 until you reach the length you want. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.